Hi guys, Martha here, and welcome back to the Techno Galaxy. Today we will be looking towards a tool called RankIQ. I tested this for 90 straight days. No tool switching, no chasing trends, no rewriting posts 10 times, just one system, 2 articles per week, brutal tracking. And what happened forced me to rethink how SEO works in 2026. Traffic did not explode overnight. It climbed, predictably. If you are building a blog, niche site, or affiliate business, and you care about compounding traffic instead of viral spikes, this matters. Today, I am breaking down exactly what happened during my 90-day Rank IQ test, where it works, where it falls short, and whether it still deserves the hype in a world drowning in AI content. So let us get into it. Now, I spend a lot of time testing SEO tools. Over the past few years, I rotated between AI writers, optimization platforms, keyword databases, and full SEO suites. I always felt productive. I rarely felt clear. By early 2026, my process felt chaotic. Content was being published. Rankings were inconsistent. Some posts climbed, others stalled. Nothing felt repeatable. So 90 days ago, I simplified everything. I reopened RankIQ and committed to publishing 2 optimized articles per week, using only its keyword libraries and content briefs. Week 1 felt slow. Week 3 showed small impression increases. By week 6, I saw consistent ranking movement instead of random spikes. By week 8, 5 out of 16 posts were sitting on page 1 for long-tail keywords under 1,200 searches per month. Not viral, not dramatic, predictable. And predictable growth is what builds sustainable traffic. In 2026, writing content is easy. AI handles that. Targeting is the real skill. RankIQ's biggest advantage is its curated keyword libraries. Instead of overwhelming you with endless keyword data, it gives you filtered, low-competition opportunities organized by niche. That removes analysis paralysis immediately. I stopped debating keyword difficulty across 5 tools. I picked directly from the library, generated a content report, and started building. Each content brief gives you recommended word count, SEO title suggestions, the terms competitors are already ranking for, and also a clear optimization score target. It eliminates guesswork. One article I published during this test hit page 1 in 27 days. I followed the suggested depth, covered the relevant subtopics, and optimized naturally without stuffing. That clarity is powerful in a market saturated with shallow AI content. RankIQ forces comprehensiveness without overwhelming complexity. It is focused, it is structured, and it encourages long-tail stacking instead of chasing massive keywords you cannot realistically win. Now, let us stay grounded. RankIQ is not an all-in-one SEO platform. It does not analyze backlinks. It does not fix technical SEO. It does not build domain authority. If your site is slow, poorly structured, or lacks internal linking, you must handle that separately. It also rewards consistent publishing. If you publish once a month, results will feel slow. If you publish twice per week, momentum compounds much faster. Another mistake creators make is obsessing over hitting a perfect optimization score. In 2026, helpful content still matters more than mechanical scoring. My highest ranking article from this experiment sits at a 94 score, not 100. Perfection is unnecessary. Alignment and depth matter more. RankIQ works best when treated as a precision targeting system, not a miracle solution. When used properly, it performs. Now let's discuss if RankIQ is worth the hype or not. The SEO environment changed dramatically. Content volume exploded, competition increased, but long-tail search demand still exists. Authority sites chase massive search terms while thousands of specific phrases remain under-optimized. That is where RankIQ shines. It narrows your focus. Over 90 days, I watched rankings move steadily from page 5 to page 2 to page 1. That steady climb proves the targeting strategy was correct from the start. RankIQ is not flashy in 2026, it is reliable. and reliability builds traffic assets that compound over time. If you are a blogger, niche site owner, or affiliate marketer who wants structured keyword targeting without drowning in data overload, it still earns its place. So after watching this video, if you decided to give RankIQ a try, you can check for a special link which I have included at the video description below. If you choose to use it through my link, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. That supports this channel and allows me to continue running transparent, real-world experiments. I only promote tools I am actively using. This is one of them. So, here is the simple execution plan. 8 weeks, 2 optimized articles per week, no switching tools, follow the content brief, hit the recommended depth, publish consistently. 16 focused articles can meaningfully shift your traffic trajectory when the keywords are chosen strategically. This approach is not about hype. It is about stacking small wins that compound month after month. If you found this breakdown helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. I share honest reviews and practical strategies that actually work now. Check the link below if you want to test RankIQ yourself. Commit to execution, stay consistent, and I will see you in our next video. Until then, please take care and stay safe, everyone.